Hello guys, I'm Divya and I'm back with another episode of Plums Prelims Level Up MCQ series. And like always, we have come with 5 new MCQs, and you hope you guys are being consistent and watching all the videos, right? So today it's the turn of geography, and this is me Divya. Today I'll be taking geography, and I hope you guys are consistent with your practice and studies. And please subscribe Vysh IAS channel if you haven't yet, and if you don't want to miss the updates of our videos, please press the bell notification. Right now, let us start with the first MCQ. So consider the following pairs. So there are some geographical region given, and you have to correctly match with the minerals which are found there. Right, you have to identify the correctly matched pairs. So the first one which is given is Canadian Shield, and minerals there found is, it is given as iron ore. Then you have Appalachians, and minerals are gold and silver. And then you have Western Cordilleras, and you have minerals there, coal. You have to now choose the correctly matching pairs. Your options are 1 and 2 only, 2 and 3 only, 1 only, or 2 only. Right, so pause the video and answer the question, and do write your score as well. So the answer is C actually, right? So the mineral deposits in North America are located in 3 regions. These 3 regions are the Canadian region, right, north of the Great Lakes. So, and then there is Appalachian region of the mountain ranges of the west, and this has, right, then iron ore, nickel, gold, uranium, and copper are mined in the Canadian Shield region. Then coals are found in Appalachians, and then Western Cordilleras. These are the vast deposits of copper, lead, zinc, gold, and silver. Right. Now the second MCQ. Consider the following statements about the layers of the atmosphere. Right. You must be knowing all the layers by now, and let's see the statements. So the first statements which is given is radio waves transmitted from the earth are reflected back to the earth by this layer, and then this temperature here starts increasing with height. So which layer are we talking about here? Your options are ionosphere, thermosphere, troposphere, or stratosphere. Your answer is A, ionosphere. It is located between 80 to 400 kilometers above the mesopause. It contains electrically charged particles known as ions. That's why the name ionosphere. And in this ionosphere, radio waves are transmitted from earth and are reflected back to the earth by this layer. Temperature here starts increasing with the height. I think a very easy question, right? Now, so you guys should be aware of the earthquake, massive earthquake which hit Turkey especially and Syria. So now let's see this question. So the Anatolian whatever in this plate is a continental tectonic plate that is surrounded by which of the following plates? So, okay, so your answers are, your options are your Eurasian plate, Nazca plate, Arabian plate, and Somali plate. So you have to choose the correct pair. And you must be aware that last year, that is 2020, in the prelims, such options were also there, that only one pair, and this was I don't think it was there before. It was introduced in 2022 prelims only. So I've tried that. So there's only one pair which is correctly matched, or 2 pairs which are correctly matched, or 3 pairs are correctly matched, or all the 4 pairs are correctly matched. Yes. So instead of pairs, you can have options. Only for first option, only second option, only only one option, or you can have the two options which are correct, or you can have 3 options which are correct, all of the above are correct. Right. Now let us start. Let us see the answer now. So the Anatolian plate, it is a continental tectonic plate that is separated from the Eurasian plate and Arabian plate by North Anatolian fault and the East Anatolian fault, and respectively. and most of the country of Turkey, the Turkey, or major part of it is located on the Anatolian plate. And this Turkey, in this year, recently, Turkey, Syria, this massive earthquake which occurred, it occurred along the active East Anatolian fault at a strike slip fault. This was the kind of fault which was there, where the Arabian plate is sliding past the Anatolian plate horizontally, right? So instead of pair in this, you can have, I'll make the correction, you can have only one option, OPT option, right? Pairs, instead of pairs we can have options, and such was such thing was asked in previous year prelims. That's why I've incorporated this. Now let us see the fourth MCQ. So consider the following pairs. So the first is Lake Fagubin, and this is there are it is matched with the countries where it is located. So Lake Fagubin in Mali, Lake Oguta in Nigeria, Lake Volta in Ghana, and Lake Victoria in Ethiopia, right? So what here options are: only one pair is correct, or only two pairs are correct, only three pairs are correctly matched, or all the four pairs are correctly matched. You have to find that. Now let us see. Answer is actually C, only three pairs are correctly matched here. Let us see which are those. So Lake Fagubin, whatever you want to call it, was it was a lake in Mali on the southern edge of Sahara Desert. Okay. Then you have Lake Okuta, which is a lean finger lake. It is formed by the damming of the lower Najba river with alluvium, and it is the largest natural lake in the Imo state, which is in southeastern Nigeria. So it is in Lake Oguta is in Nigeria. Then you have Lake Volta. It is the largest artificial reservoir in the world based on surface area, and it is completely in the country of Ghana. And then you have Lake Victoria, which is one of the African Great Lakes. Okay, and its basin countries is not just one. It is in Burundi, Kenya, Rwanda, Tanzania, and Uganda. So for the Lake Victoria, there cannot be just one just one country, and definitely it is not Ethiopia. So only three pairs are correct. Okay, now let us see the final MCQ. So which one of the following are also known as the Levantine countries, right? And similar question was asked in 2022 prelims as well. Now let us see. So the countries which are given are Israel, Jordan, Lebanon, and Syria. You have to find the correct options. 1 and 2 only, 1 and 3 only, 2 and 3 only, or all of the above. I think it should be easy question for you, right? So Levant region, which is along the eastern, as you can see here, eastern Mediterranean shores, it roughly correspond to the modern day Israel, Jordan, Lebanon, Syria, and certain adjacent areas, right? So all of these options are correct. All are Levant, are called Levantine countries. So with this, we have come and end to this episode. Hope you guys enjoyed it and liked it. So please like and share these videos as much as you can, and be consistent, guys. Thank you so much.